Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the dispersion effect in Photoshop, where it looks like a part of your subject is breaking apart into tiny particles. So let's get started. First of all, go to Select menu and press Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect your subject. If there is anything wrong with the selection, you can just go to Quick Selection tool, then press Alt and click on any areas that are unnecessarily selected. Now press Ctrl J twice and delete the original layer. Now since our background is empty, we'll have to add something. So for this tutorial, we'll add a gradient. So we'll have to go to the adjustment layer, then click on gradient. We can see we have many options. In gradient, we have many presets, but I'm gonna go with a simple black and white gradient and hit OK. For the style, I'll go with radial. The angle should be 90 degrees and the scale should be 250. I'll also reverse it and hit OK. Make sure the gradient is in the bottom layer because it is our background. Now we'll name these two layers. For the bottom one, we will name it Liquify. And the top layer, we will just name it Main IMG, meaning image. Now, with the bottom layer selected, we'll go to Filter and then we'll go to Liquify. Now, with the Forward Warp tool selected, we'll just drag it in the direction we want our dispersion effect to take place in. Don't worry, this is just a base for the dispersion effect. Now we'll have to add a layer mask. To add a layer mask, we have to press this Add a Layer Mask button. But for the Liquify layer, we'll have to press Alt and then add a layer mask, because we want an inverted layer mask. An inverted layer mask means everything will be hidden until we paint in it. And for the top subject layer, we'll just add a normal mask. Now we'll have to go to the mask of the top subject layer and go to the brush tool and get a dispersion brush. I'll link these brushes in the description. So I'll take this brush and simulate the crack effects on the subject. Make sure that your foreground color is black, because black hides things and white makes them appear. Make sure to rotate these according to the subject. We have simulated the cracks on our subject. Now we'll have to go into the bottom layer and press on its mask. Since its mask is inverted, we cannot see anything. So we'll have to go to the brush tool again, get another dispersion brush and make sure our foreground color is white. So with our foreground color white, we'll start painting in the particles. Make sure to rotate your brush according to the place you are painting your particles in. Our particles have been painted in. Most of our dispersion effect is already done, but we'll have to add some finishing touches. We can add a gradient map. So to add a gradient map, we'll have to go to the adjustment layer again. Then we'll have to go into the gradient map. In the gradient map, we can see that it already has a color, but we'll go into the properties. Then we can see here are also many presets like the gradient. For this tutorial, I'll go with the orange and violet one and hit OK. Now the blend mode should be set to overlay and the opacity should be close to 60%. Now it's looking absolutely fantastic. And that's it. Your awesome Photoshop dispersion effect is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.